Dear friends, welcome once again to A Knowledge Hub Gyatva. Unity in diversity. India is the vast country with different regions, religions, cultures, and traditions, and present endless varieties of physical features and cultural patterns. In short, India is the epitome of the world. The vast population is composed of people having diverse creeds, customs, and colors. Indians believe to be the children of one mother, Mother India. We are one nation governed by one central authority. This is why we say we have unity in diversity. Fundamentals of unity in diversity. India is a nation having great diversities. The people who inhabit this nation belongs to different races, communities and castes. They reside in different geographical regions and speak different languages. They believe and practice different religions and have varied lifestyles. But with certain shared fundamentals of national unity, the people of India can develop the feeling of oneness in spite of all these diversities. The main binding factor remains the Constitution of India. There are several other institutions which are pillars of unity in the country. NCC, the premier youth organization of country, is a true example of national unity. Let's discuss the main fundamentals of unity in diversity. First is geographical unity. Undoubtedly, down through the ages, India has maintained geographical unity. Thus goes the popular saying, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, India is one. The concept of Bharat Mata, a national song Vande Mataram, and national anthem Jan Gan Man clearly project India as one geographical unit. Spirit of religious unity. Apart from Hinduism, we have the followers of Buddhism, Jainism, Islam, Sikhism, and Christianity. We celebrate the festivals like Holi, Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Buddha Jayanti, Mahavir Jayanti, etc. unitedly. This provides unity in diversity. Ethnic coexistence. A very important characteristic of Indian society is coexistence of different ethnic groups. These groups formulated intergroup behavior. Hence, there is no mutual interference as also no merging of their identity. Industrialization policy and agrarian reforms have generated a new inclusive culture. Members of different castes and communities and followers of different religions have come together in farms, factories, and education institutes. As a result, different cultures have been blended together, thereby bringing unity among them. Social unity. It is a well-known fact that Indian society is diversified. However, there are certain common factors that guide all the societies of India. The magnanimity of Indian society is well recognized by all the people of the world. Political unity. Article 1 of the Indian Constitution speaks, India, that is Bharat, shall be union of states. The political unity is not recent, it had its origin in the long past. For the first time, India was united under one umbrella by the redoubtable leadership of Chandragupta Maurya. Even after the British conquest of India, this political unity was maintained like today, with uniform pattern of law, penal code, administrative works, etc. No Mughal rule, British rule, or the present democratic setup of India could escape it. Thus, politically, India remains one, and will remain one in future. Dear friends, I hope you really like the videos. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Please share your valuable feedback so that we can refine the content delivery for the benefit of all the learners. Together we can elevate the NCC learning experience into new heights. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.